Oh,
Is it overfull?
too low.
Oh, too low.
So you do all that, and then it says too low. Why didn't it just tell me when I started the car? So now we've got to add more oil to the engine. And if you look at the diagram on the screen, it looks like we've got to add a fair bit. And we didn't even take out that much.
Let's get this in.
But then I think we figured something out. This engine has a dry sump as opposed to a wet sump engine. And on a wet sump engine, all of the oil is stored at the bottom of it. It's pulled out with an oil strainer through the oil pump, through the oil filter, and then around the engine. Whereas on the dry sump engine, all of the oil is stored in a separate tank, which is pulled out through an oil strainer, through a pump, through the oil filter, and then around the engine. And only a small amount of oil is left at the bottom of the engine, which is pulled out with a scavenge pump and sent to the separate oil tank. Now on the Murcielago engine, which is also a dry sump engine, you can actually fill the oil in two places. One in the actual engine here, and two in the actual oil tank right back there. Whereas in the McLaren, you can only fill it through the engine. So is it a possibility that we've filled the whole oil capacity into the engine, not overfilling it, but almost drowning the engine in oil? I think we were supposed to add oil, let it run round the engine for a bit, and then top it up again afterwards. Hey! In the middle. Exactly in the middle. Whether that solves the smoking issue, I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to find out. And there's one place I can think of where we can find out whether it's still smoking. Now, a lot of you have been asking, how much has the total bill cost so far? Enter the School of Finances. The McLaren, £60,000. The tub, £5,000. Parts. There were a lot of parts, and I think we did well on the ones that we bought. Total build cost so far of £89,115.35p. And if my research is correct, that makes it the cheapest McLaren 720S in the whole country. But now, it's time for the dyno. Let's hope it holds out. So, plan is, because we can't take it out on the road just yet, it's not registered in the UK, we do a dyno run this time. Run it all through the gears on the dyno. If we get the all clear, we're gonna tune it. But this turned out to be a big ask for the McLaren, because yet again, we had problems. Well, in true McLaren fashion, the car has well and truly died. To run on the dyno, one, we had to take the diffuser off so it could be strapped down. And then two, it needs to be plugged in so it can go in dyno mode so the car knows it's on the dyno. And as we did that, I think the car turned off midway through. And now, when you try to start it, well, let me show you what happens. It was completely dead. We had battery charge, we even had a charger on it, but nope, nothing happened when we tried to start it. It is fully dead. And we've been on this for hours now, so our only option is to take this to McLaren. Maybe this was self-inflicted. Maybe I should have just left it as it was. Not only did it not turn on, the windows didn't go up anymore, the handbrake didn't work, but the ignition would come on. It's like all the electrics in the car had fully decided to give up. We actually planned to take it to McLaren in this video, but not for this reason. Well, we made it to McLaren, not the way we thought we were going to make it.